It is Friday, May 1. We are in the home stretch. We have about 3.5 more weeks of this, and you guys are doing great. You can do it. You can do it. So stay strong. May 1. Lots of emails being thrown at you these days, lots of options for graduation, lots of things you need to do. I hope that you are following the emails, or ask your parents about a lot of the emails that they're getting, because they really involve you in making a presentation, or like just a little photo shoot with your robes on, all that kind of good stuff. So yeah, just stay on top of that, guys. All right, so what I want to do is start our day off with prayers are super important. I hope that we're all praying for each other in these last days of school. I know that I'm praying for you guys. Here's our devotion. We look to God. Matthew 14:28. Lord, if it's you, Peter says, tell me to come to you on the water. Peter is not testing Jesus. He's pleading with Jesus. Stepping onto a stormy sea is not just a move of logic. It's a move of desperation. Peter grabs the edge of the boat, throws out a leg, follows with the other. Several steps are taken. It's as if an invisible ridge of rocks are beneath his feet. At the end of the ridge is the glowing face of a never say die friend. We do the same, don't we? We come to Christ in our hour of our deepest need. We abandon our boat of good works. We realize that human strength won't save us, so we look to God in desperation. We realize that all the good works in the world are small when laid before the perfect one. Don't think that because you're a good person, that's going to get you to Christ. And don't wait till you're desperate. Come to him now. If anything is going on in your lives right now, you want to talk to one of the teachers about, feel free. Just email us. We're here for you guys. We're still here for you. Okay, so on with social studies. Due today is that advantage and disadvantage. I want that to be from the perspective of the civil rights. So what part might you be likely to take? Explain yourself really well. Explain your position. Explain why you would do that. Maybe even use some examples from this time period. So yeah, I'm expecting to hear from you. All right. I also attached an assignment. It's called categorizing. You're going to need to read pages 422 through 425. And then I gave you a bunch of categories, and you need to categorize it. It needs to be done before Monday at our Google Meet, because we're going to be going over that together. So have it done. You're going to show it to me on the screen. So have that ready to go. All right, you guys. Hey, have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.